Grace Kitchens presents Creative Cooking, a season of popular favorites featuring dishes for every meal of the day. And here now is today's host.
Hi there, welcome to Creative Cooking. Today we come to you from the University of Technology, UTech in Kingston. Joining me for the program is Professor Errol Morrison, the president of UTech. Professor Morrison, we're happy that you're hosting us here at your place.
Welcome.
Professor Morrison, you serve as president of the Diabetes Association of Jamaica.
Yes.
Tell us about the incidence of diabetes in Jamaica.
Well, in terms of how many diabetics there are, it's 1 in every 5 adult persons in Jamaica over the age of 15. That adds up to about 300,000 persons with diabetes. And the projection is if we don't change our lifestyle, eat better, exercise more regularly, that figure will go up to 1 in every 4 within the next 20 years.
What is the message that you want to share with people from the diabetic community who are watching us today?
Well, not only the diabetic community, but the community at large, is that diabetes is common. Even without any symptoms, they might not have any eye problems, any weakness, passing a lot of urine or losing weight. They may just not feel quite right or nothing at all. They must check because it is so common. And you'd be surprised how many persons find out that they're diabetics just on a routine, visit to the doctor. So that is the very first, point that I'd like to bring across. And secondly, watch the weight, because the weight is the most important cause for the developing diabetes, in particular the waistline.
Yes.
Anything over 36 inches is bad news.
What are you going to cook for us today?
I will try banana bread,
Try?
A little modesty is good sometimes. And the use of the Splendor, which will reduce the actual input of calories. The use of your vegetable oil, which again reduces the kinds of fats and cholesterol input. All of that is excellent ingredient for foods that diabetics will have. Hello, today I'm going to be making a banana bread, which is excellent for those with diabetes. Now I'm going to be using, first of all, some vegetable oil. Again, very good in terms of the low fat content. And I'm adding some Splendor. As you know, that is a non-absorbable sweetener. And that will give us an excellent starter. Then I'm adding low-fat milk, 2 eggs, and some flavoring there, and I will now blend. I guess that looks just about right. Now I shall add some of the dried stuff. This is the whole wheat flour. As you know, excellent protein content and reduced carbohydrates, excellent for diabetics. And a little leavener there, the baking soda. Good, we're getting into a nice paste here now, and we're going to add the final mixture with some crushed and paste bananas here. Yeah, and some raisins. I like them with a lot of raisins. And some nuts, crushed nuts. Abracadabra, I think we have an excellent mix here and all ready for the oven. Good, get every last drop in. And now we're going to put it in the oven. temperature set at the right levels, and away we go.
Hi, Professor. It is obvious that you help in the kitchen.
Oh, I've done this from ever since.
Okay. Banana bread you made looks good.
Yes.
Eh? And I'm certain you're going to tell me it tastes just as good, eh?
Excellent. That's my favorite.
And you have served this with natural cheddar cheese.
Yes.
And you're saying that the diabetic can have a single slice and, a thin slice of cheese.
Yes. Yes, because you see, remember, how much of this will they be having in at any one meal? A slice or two? It's perfectly okay.
And we have served it with diet tropical rhythms.
Excellent. Excellent. I am familiar with your low calorie products here, and these are excellent. Just 50 calories in your bottle here, which is excellent, and the flavor is also pretty good. I recommend that for diabetic members.
From the mailbox comes this question: can diabetics eat sweet foods? Professor, this question is for you. Can diabetics eat sweet food?
The simple answer, Maisie, is yes, with explanation.
Right.
Explanation because you want to eat sweet foods in smaller quantities, so that your body can actually absorb that. And we are recommending that instead of the whole approach of having a big breakfast, big lunch and big dinner, we're saying have a smaller breakfast with a mid-morning snack, smaller lunch, afternoon snack, smaller dinner, bedtime snack. In fact, almost every 3 hours in the day. Breakfast 7 o'clock, snack 10, lunch 1, snack 4, dinner 7, and a little bedtime snack.
Professor, we thought we'd share 2 quick meal ideas that we could share for the diabetic.
Yes.
And we have served here a sardine fritter, and we have used whole wheat flour in this, and we have also used some carrots.
Excellent stuff.
Definitely.
Excellent stuff.
And here we have
And-
a cheese and vegetable rice.
Okay, also pretty good. Again, the rice is a complex starch, and by using that, you find that the body slowly will absorb that, and it's perfectly all right for the diabetic.
Professor Morrison, I want to thank you for making time out of a busy schedule to be on our program. I want to thank you for sharing. I know the diabetic community feel honored to have you, on the program. And I'm certain that you're going to be working closely with Grace Kitchens, right?
We certainly do, and I can thank you on behalf of the wider diabetic community for taking their concerns into your consideration.
Sir,
thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you. That's it for today from the mailbox. Please send us your questions and anything relating to cooking. And remember, if you have a recipe you'd like to share, send it in. Till next time, thanks for watching.
Make it a date to tune into Smile Jamaica, 7:35 every Monday morning, with a repeat every Sunday at 2:50 p.m. That's Creative Cooking by Grace Kitchens. Don't miss it.